Hello everyone, welcome to LEGOJOELZACHARIAHFILMS. Today we have the Corvette. Now today it's like 2-in-1, which is like two buildings in one Lego set, and we can either have the hot rod, which is that, or the Corvette. Now I'm thinking like we should do the Corvette since it's the main, and it comes with a kind of tire. And it's 579 pieces. It's 9 plus, and it's 42093. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. So we're just gonna open it from over here, so you can see. And now we I'm gonna open this like this way. Whoa, okay. We have this tiny pack right over here. We have another tiny pack over here. Then we have another pack here. Then we have another pack right here. Then we have the Building Man set. Then we have the stickers. Now we have another piece. And that is it. Oh, actually, we have another one. Okay, this is gonna actually be a lot. So I'm just gonna open this manual up. And so we're gonna start by this. So before I get into this, make sure to basically sit down and watch before I do this. So, see ya.
Alright, so I'm the cameraman and I'm actually gonna throw these Duplo blocks at him.
What?
A Duplo's better!
Lego is way better. What are you talking about?
Bro, a piece fell here.
What?
Duplo! Hey kids! Hey kids! Hey kids!
What? Ow! Hello everyone. Now it's the review. Now the other thing was kind of like a speed build, but because it's a review.
And I mean, Lego Joe's like our film is kind of lazy, like I mentioned during the video.
Because it's my first time, and I can't just go up and go like recording all of this, but it's my first time building LEGO Technic. But don't worry, if you see here, it's like pretty decent. Now when you move, I'll show you how it functions. When you move this tire, this moves over there, and then it makes these to move. Then it makes the upper part to move there. Cameraman, can't you see I'm doing something?
Duplo's better. Don't make me shut down the electricity.
I'm sorry, everyone. No, I wasn't saying.
Duplo's better.
Hey, everyone, write in the comments what they think is better. To add his Now, okay, thank you. Now, when the tire is moving, it moves the black, the actual, the LEGO Technic, moves that, then it moves that black thing, then the blue thing. Then you see that line up there, it moves that, and then it hits these things, that turns, and then it hits these. Which makes them go up when you move the car. Now, and this can actually turn the vehicle. See, you can actually turn this based on over here. You can see based on here you can turn. And yeah, this is a pretty good build, and as you can see, the back of the car compared to the actual Corvette ZR1, kind of the same, but for the front, it looks like a Porsche. Not gonna lie, if you look at it, it kind of looks like a Porsche. No, that's the end of the video, I guess. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. God bless.